Hello friends, so now in this video we are going to write a code for this registration page. So first of all we need to create one table in our database. So this is my database. Here I am going to create one table, user underscore registration, and we need 8 field. Here ID integer, length 5. Here we need to give primary key and auto increment. Then we need first name, last name, username, password, email. Then we need contact and address. Sorry, we are here 100. And here we are going to take 1000 because this is the address field, that's why. And going to save. So now we have one table with table name user underscore registration. So now here we have to write the code. If is set underscore post, and then we have to write register, the name of the button control. Echo yes. Okay. Now we are going to check we are getting any message or not when we click on login. Sorry, here we have to change the name register. Here you can see we are getting this. It means this button is working proper. But now we are going to change the value register. Okay, so now we have this register over here. Now here we have to write a code for display message. So we are going to write a code for this. Alert danger. It means the red color. And called MD12. So we are going to set the full width. Here we are going to write one ID, style, display block, and then we will hide it. But first of all, we are going to check how it looks. Now Stronted we are going to use, and also center. This username already exists. Color red. Now let's check how it looks. Okay, so we have to set in one line. Okay, what is the problem? Let's check. Let me remove the center tag. Yeah, now you can see it looks good. Now we are going to copy the same thing. We are going to paste here. Here we are going to set alert success, display block, and here we are going to set color green. And here we are going to change the message success. User inserted successfully. And here we are going to change the ID success. Let's see. Okay, so we are getting this type of two messages. Now we are going to make the height of this both. So here also display none and here also display none. So now it's hidden. Now we are going to write a code, but before that we have to write here connection file. I include connection file and now we have to write the code. So here our first step is to check the user is already registered or not. So for that we are going to write here the query select star from user underscore registration where username is equal to dollar underscore post username. Here dollar count is equal to MySQLi number of rows dollar res. If dollar count greater than 0, it means this user is already exist, otherwise else. So now inside this script type text JavaScript document dot get element by id error message dot style dot display block. So we are going to display that message whatever we already set over here. This message we are going to display. That's why current the first status is display none, but when we need on the time we are going to make it block. Now in else here MySQLi underscore query then dollar link insert into user registration. Then here we need to pass ID, first name, all the column name, first name, last name, username, password, then email, then contact, then address, and then we need to pass values. In values, it means we have to pass here our text box references. The first value is ID and that is the auto increment. So we need to pass here null, then underscore post first name. We can copy this. Here we need to pass last name. Now here we need to pass username. Then password, then email, contact, and address. So I think we pass all the fields over here. Now after this we need to display the message. So Here document.get element by id such as dot style dot display is equal to block. So we are going to display a second message, and then we need to forward them after 1 second on login page. So set timeout function 1000, or we can use 2000 so user can read the message properly. And here we are going to write window.location is equal to login.php. Now let's check it's working or not. Yeah, here we can make input type password, so the character will be hidden. That we will do it. Okay, user inserted successfully and it forwarded on login page. But here we have to check we got entry or not. Yeah, we got the entry. So now first of all let me change here input type password. Now I am going to fill the same value because we are going to compare with email address. So here you can see we are getting the message. This username already exists. So our registration page is ready. Now in next video we are going to write the code of this login page. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video then please like it and share it. Thanks.